Neha, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am making teriyaki chicken with vegetables. I have 2 breasts of chicken. For the vegetables, I have red pepper, carrots, broccoli, onion, and cloves of garlic. And also what you will need is olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. With this sugar, you can substitute it for white sugar as well. The chicken is all diced up, and now we're going to put our olive oil in our wok. Let it warm up, and then I'll put the chicken in. So if you see here, it has been warmed. I left it on, and you can see the heat coming out, so that's perfect. And now I can put the chicken. Okay, so now we'll put a bit of oil. Okay, and then with this one, we're actually going to do the garlic and onions first. So I like to do these ones first just because if I fry it up with the vegetables don't need to be fried too much just because you don't want it to be to lose all of its good vitamins in there. So that's why we do the garlic and onions first, so that when you're taking a bite out of the garlic and onions, you don't want it to be too strong. So that's why we do these ones first. Okay, so while it's frying, I like to add a 1/4 cup of water just so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. And also it doesn't get stuck to the wok too. So let's do this. Perfect. And then all the goodness from the chicken too, it just stays in here. So it tastes so much better. So let's get these onions and the garlic all fried up, a little bit more caramelized, I guess I should say. And then we'll put in the vegetables. Okay, so if you can see here, the onions and garlic has been caramelized. Again, keep adding water to it so that you're not burning it. And also you want to be able to scrape it from the wok. So now let's do the veggies. veggies is almost good to go. So with this frying up, in the meantime, we'll do the teriyaki sauce. So soy sauce in first. And again, because it is so salty, we want to add the 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Okay, so let that heat up, and then we will be adding the cornstarch to it just to make it a little thicker. Okay, so with the vegetables, it's pretty much just done, and now we'll add in the chicken. Look how beautiful that is. So with the sugar, once you see that it's been dissolved, and now you add the cornstarch to it, and then you want it to be a thick consistency. Okay, so you want to keep it boiling, and then if you want to use a whisk, which is so much better, let's do that. And then we can put it in here. Perfect. Turn this over. Oh, that smells delicious. I wish you guys can smell this through the camera. This is the final product, and this is my take on teriyaki chicken. If you would like to double up the sauce for the teriyaki sauce, all you need to do is double up on the soy sauce, the brown sugar, and the cornstarch. So that gives it a little bit more sauce. But we like it this way, and we've tried it this way. So with this, what you can use too is put some white rice on the side. You can eat it with buns, any way you like, or even like this, a nice without carbs, a nice meal without carbs. So this is our take on it, and thank you for watching.